Just as mechanical keyboards have grown in popularity among typists and gamers for their precision, durability, and performance, air compressors for painting cars have become essential tools for DIY auto enthusiasts and professionals. A good air compressor ensures smooth paint application.
List number 1. This quiet air compressor strikes the perfect balance between performance and comfort. Operating at just 68 decibels, it's significantly quieter than most models, making it ideal for home garages or workshops where noise reduction is key. With its 5-gallon steel tank, it offers consistent airflow and pressure to handle light to medium car painting tasks. The oil-free pump reduces maintenance while ensuring long-lasting operation, making it a reliable choice for hobbyists and professionals alike. Its compact build allows for easy storage and portability, while the steel construction ensures durability. The compressor maintains a stable air supply, crucial for achieving smooth, streak-free finishes when painting cars. Though it may not provide enough volume for large, continuous paint jobs, it's more than capable for smaller projects, touch-ups, or detailing. Verdict: a quiet, durable, and efficient compressor, perfect for small to medium car painting projects without disturbing your surroundings.
List number 2. The InnoCraft Airbrush Kit is an excellent option for detailed automotive work, such as touch-ups, custom graphics, and fine lines. With its 16 HP quiet air compressor, it delivers reliable performance while maintaining a low noise profile, ideal for precision painting. This kit includes a dual-action airbrush gun, hoses, and accessories, making it a complete starter package for anyone looking to dive into custom auto painting. The compressor provides steady airflow with automatic shutoff for energy efficiency and safety. It's designed for portability, with a lightweight build that makes it easy to carry and store. Despite its smaller size, the compressor maintains consistent pressure, ensuring smooth and accurate paint application. While not powerful enough for full body paint jobs, it excels in detailing, airbrushing, and finishing work, making it an essential secondary tool for car enthusiasts. Verdict: a compact, quiet, and complete airbrush system, perfect for detail painting, graphics, and custom auto work.
List number 3. Though primarily designed as a tire inflator, the LAS FIT TK1 portable air compressor is versatile enough for small-scale car painting projects when paired with a spray gun. Its standout feature is its high-power motor, designed to handle larger vehicles like pickups and SUVs. Compact and portable, it plugs directly into a 12-volt outlet, making it easy to carry and use on the go. With its digital pressure gauge and fast inflation speed, it's primarily a roadside essential, but creative users can adapt it for limited painting tasks. That said, it lacks the tank capacity and continuous airflow required for full auto body painting. It works best for quick jobs, touch-ups, or emergencies when a standard air compressor isn't available. Verdict: a portable, multi-purpose compressor, best as a backup or for touch-up painting jobs, but not a substitute for full auto painting equipment.
List number 4. While technically a spray gun kit, the InnoCraft D1 LVLP deserves mention because it's designed to work efficiently with smaller compressors, making it a great companion to the other models on this list. The LVLP low-volume, low-pressure design ensures smooth paint transfer with minimal overspray, allowing even smaller compressors to achieve professional quality finishes. The kit includes multiple nozzles, cleaning tools, and a sturdy storage case. Pairing this with a 4 to 5 gallon compressor gives excellent results for painting cars, as the spray gun requires less air volume while still delivering consistent, smooth coats. Its ergonomic design ensures comfort during extended use, while the durable build quality makes it a long-lasting tool for auto painting enthusiasts. Verdict: a premium LVLP spray gun kit, ideal for pairing with smaller compressors to achieve high-quality car paint finishes with less air demand.
List number 5. The 4-gallon portable air compressor offers an excellent combination of portability and power. With a maximum 110 psi output, it provides steady airflow for most car painting tasks.
Its oil-free pump means low maintenance and cleaner operation, while the 4-gallon tank strikes a balance between compact design and sufficient capacity for continuous painting. The lightweight frame and built-in handle make it easy to move between projects. Noise levels are moderate, making it suitable for home use without being overly disruptive. The compressors deliver consistent air supply, ensuring that paint jobs are even and professional looking. While not intended for large commercial paint shops, it's an excellent choice for DIY car enthusiasts or hobbyists who want reliable performance without investing in oversized industrial units. Verdict: a portable, user-friendly air compressor, perfect for home garages and DIY car painting projects.